Did you just get through watching my birria taco video and wonder, how do I make that fantastic red salsa? Well, you've come to the right place. Before we get started, all exact measurements will be in the description box down below for you. And also, get yourself a pot of water and bring it to a boil, just enough to cover your vegetables. As you can see, I divided the cutting board in half. On the left are the ingredients that we use to make the red salsa, and on the right are the ingredients you add to make it spicy. We have 11 tomatillos. These have the paper shell removed and are washed. Half of an onion, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, and about 10 chiles de arbol. And the last chile that I forgot to add on the cutting board is the Chile Pasilla. I'm using 3 of them. This is what the package looks like. Now on to the peppers to make this red salsa spicy. We have 3 Serrano peppers, 6 Habanero peppers. Next we have approximately 20 Thai chilies and about a tablespoon of chili piquin. This is what the packaging looks like. It's real spicy, so that's why I'm only using a small amount. As far as the spices go, you'll need half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, a quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika, and chipotle powder. Adjust the spices if necessary to taste. Let's start by preparing our Chiles Pasilla. Grab some scissors and cut off the top of the chile. Poke through the top and slice down the middle and empty out the seeds and also pull out the inside vein. Repeat for the rest of them. Let's start by putting all our vegetables in except the tomatillos, which don't take very long to cook. If they cook too long, they become bitter, and we don't want that. The dry peppers definitely need some time to cook and get rehydrated. Let's go ahead and add some salt. Go ahead and cook this for approximately 3 to 5 minutes and cover the pot. Depending on the size of your tomatillos, they may cook faster or slower, but regardless of the size, you are looking for this nice green yellow color. Remove them from the pot and set aside for now to cool. Put the lid back on and cook the vegetables for another 5 minutes. Once they are done cooking, at this point you can remove the stems from the peppers. You will know when they are done when the stems easily pull away. Do these for all the peppers, and if you're brave, you can leave them on. Everything will be blended up. But as I always say, if you're not going to eat it, don't feed it. So I'll be removing all the stems. I'll leave the peppers in the liquid and set aside to cool. Now once everything has cooled down, let's put the non-spicy vegetables in the blender first. If you're in a rush, go ahead and put them in your blender. But be careful, since the vegetables are still hot, they could build up some pressure in your blender and cause the top to pop off. Just remember to let some of the pressure out by lifting the top. Look at that onion. It soaked up all the wonderful flavor from the dried chiles. Go ahead and add your spices and don't throw that liquid out. Add some of that to the blender for incredible flavor. Start off with about half a cup and add some more later based on the consistency that you desire. Give everything a good blend for about 30 seconds to a minute. You want to break down the skins of the dried chiles as much as possible. If you're doing a regular salsa and spicy one like me, pour some of the salsa into a bowl. Now I'll go ahead and place all the spicy peppers in with the salsa we just blended up. Give everything a good blend again and pour into a separate container. I'm using a red lid for this bowl just to let everyone know that this will be fire. Give a taste and see if it needs any more seasoning. You can use these on anything your heart desires. I made a birria video showcasing this red salsa and it was absolutely amazing. I will leave a link at the end of this video on how to make the birria tacos and some homemade tortilla chips for dipping. Let me know what you think of the salsa in the comment section, and I'll see you again very soon. Have a blessed day, everyone.